We use this every day, but we never talk about it. A chair. Hello guys, this is day 41 of my 6-day NC speaking challenge, and today I'm going to share with you a very useful thing like chair. We use every day chairs, but we don't talk about chairs. So, chair is a simple object which we use for sitting. A chair has four legs, one desk, and one supporting compartment. Like one side is for support. It's a very comfort. It's very comfortable while we sleeping on a chair. Like when we want to sleep at any place, we look for the chair because it's very comfortable. And nowadays there are too many types of chairs like plastic chairs, wooden chairs, office chairs, wheelchairs. There are too many chairs. Some people buy it according to their needs and for what purpose they want the chairs. So in my room I have a plastic chairs and its color is black. And when I sit on that chair, I feel comfortable. Like because of this, we can sit properly with straight posture. And if you want to sit anywhere or want to relax, you can use your chairs for relaxing. Sometimes I use my chairs for study purpose. Like I can sit on my chair and I will study. And sometimes I use chair for the like if any object is on higher space, then we can use our chair for upgrading the space. Like this, I am practicing my English every day. If you want to practice in practice English every day, you can talk like this. Every simple things you will talk about it, and you will gradually feel comfortable in English while talking. So this is the my approach for simple practice and improving my communication skill. Like this, I am practicing. Like if we if we want to grow in English communication, then we have to talk as much as English. And in a starting phase or for a beginner, we find some difficulties in talking in English. So that's why I think I have to start my practice with simple things which is around us, and we all are familiar with all these objects. So I change my practice routine and I follow this routine for my English practice. If you are a beginner or if you want to learn English, you can also use these techniques.